No wonder you've been missing notes kanina dun sa recording session. May pinagdadaanan ka na namang emotional crisis, ano?
Sorry po, Miss Vanna.
It's okay, darling. And good call, ha, na hindi mo sinabi kay Minchie. Kasi, pag sinabi mo, susuguri nun si Megan. At mag-aaway pa sila ni Dara.
Nga po yun po yung iniiwasan ko.
Di ka talaga nawawala ng problema, no? Sa bagay, lahat naman ng tao meron nun. Maski ako, marami akong pinagdadaanan. Sa anak ko, sa marriage ko, sa sanity ko. But one piece of advice, Jenny. Don't let your problems attack you or kakainin ka nila ng buo. Put your focus somewhere else, like your career. Like me. When I step into my work, doon ko binubuhos ang lahat.
Nag-work po ba talaga yun, Miss Vanna?
It does. Kapag hindi ka nakatutok sa problema, pusa siyang nare-resolve for some reason. Like with Freddie and me. I thought he was cheating on me. Pero nag-focus ako sa iyo at sa ibang talents ko. And next thing you know, nagre-renew na kami ng wedding vows.
Okay po. Tara na po at mag-focus po tayo sa work.
That's my rising superstar! Oh, and what do you know? Verdadero Food Corporation is celebrating their golden anniversary this Saturday. And their favorite apo, Grace Verdadero, is requesting you to be their guest artist.
Talaga po.
Te, grabe sobrang social itong place nito at ikaw. Grabe te, sobrang bongga ng performance mo. As in, ibang-iba talaga te, promise. Yung mga boss ng mga old doon, napanganga talaga yung mga taga Verdadero Food Corporation. Verdadero Food Corporation kasi te.
Excited ka. Jenny! Oh my gosh, thank you so much for coming. Grabe, hinabot talaga kita kasi hindi ako nakapagpasalamat kanina.
Thank you din and salamat sa pag-invite sa akin.
You're super welcome. Actually, this isn't part of the usapan, but I'm throwing a little after party with my cousins later. Baka naman you can drop by. Kahit super saglit lang.
Oo naman. Sige, paalam na ako sa manager ko. Umalis na kasi siya may pinuntahan na ata sa hospital na appointment ng anak niya. Basta text ko siya. Punta ako.
Well, no worries and no problem. Hindi naman ako magtatampo if you can't go, but I'm hoping, manifesting. I'll see you there, Suite 408 sa kabilang wing. See you po!
Thank you.
Punta tayo. Sama ko? Te, yun nga makapunta na sa mga ultra-rich na party. Te, legit nga, te.
Grabe
Ay.
naman yung invite na yan.
Yung camera ata naiwan ko, te. Te, sandali. Babalikan ko lang doon. Wait lang. Dito ka lang. Basta susunod ako. Wait lang, dito ka lang.
Pura mo talaga.
Sorry na, wait
Bilisan mo pagka iwanan kita.
I'm already here in the room. Oh, I can't wait to hug you.
Sir Freddy? Ano naman si Miss Vanna susunduin niya ba?
Freddie, I'm already here in the hotel. Yeah, I'm on my way to the room. Yes! Ano ka ba naman? Masyado excited.
Really good.
Ano ka ba? You scared me!
Yeah, I didn't need to scare you.
You scared
To
me.
surprise you, the way you like surprises.
I know I like surprises. You know that.
Oh, yeah. Your eyes are so beautiful.
Really? I look so beautiful.
So beautiful.
Pinubola mo lang ako.
Yeah, okay. Can you smell so good? Can I smell you?
Of course you can say. Sumobra ka na ha. Halika na nga. Let's go to the room.
Sir Freddy.